I'm a massive Roy Keane fan, and growing up, there wasn't really any, it didn't get bigger than that in Cork. He was a titanic figure in the city, and at that time especially, they just won the treble at United 3 years before. It was one of the most influential footballers in the world. So for him to come from our city was a big thing, and it's surreal in so many ways to go on and have made this film. But it was a privilege. It was daunting, but it was also a genuine privilege because he's an amazing figure, and I really enjoyed the process of kind of getting into the script and get to work on it. So we would have been 5. And I reckon that's about, I think 5 is probably my earliest memories. And I think it's not just going back kind of retroactively, like creating those memories. I do think my earliest memories are of the sticker books from that World Cup, the Panini sticker books. I can picture Jason McAteer in the jersey. I can picture Roberto Carlos in the Brazil jersey. Just for some weird reason, there's just these things that stick out to you. All these images are just there when you and getting back into the script, they all started to sort of come back up again. And that's one of the joys of the film, actually, is the nostalgia, is being able to like step back into a time and create those very weird, evocative feeling of that time. So they're some of my earliest memories. I can't say I remember much about what the debate was or what went wrong. I just remember everyone being quite opinionated and angry about it. And I do remember like a couple of grown-ups coaching me on things I should say if somebody asked me who was right, Mick or Roy. So it was big stuff at the time.